Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use reachability on large iPhone screens. So let's enable this feature in your settings. So you want to scroll to section Accessibility. Now let's find here Touch, and please enable reachability. So how to activate this reachability feature? You want to swipe down on the bottom edge of your screen, just like this. But if you have a home button, then you have to lightly double tap your home button, but please do not press it. You have to lightly double tap it. Okay, so this is designed to easily reach the top of your screen when you use your phone with your one hand. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.